Hello guys, welcome to Crypto Bulls Club, your one-stop destination for all the technical analysis and news from the world of cryptocurrencies. If you like the content, smash up the like button and also hit the subscribe button. In this video, we are going to talk about the Bitcoin price and also more importantly, the Bitcoin dominance. Okay, so the Bitcoin price is at this point of time is around the $55,000 mark. We have comfortably crossed the 53,000, which was acting as a resistance, and we have made a new higher high, which is extremely healthy. Now, what is important is we need to come down and test the 53,000 as support and then take a bounce, which would actually take Bitcoin closer to the all-time high of $65,000. Now, in this video, we are going to talk about the Bitcoin dominance. Okay, the Bitcoin dominance has actually crossed the 44.5% mark, which was acting as a very strong resistance in the past few months, to be precise. Okay, we have been able to cross that, and the Bitcoin dominance is heading towards the 46% mark, which is again a resistance. If you are able to cross that, we could be heading to the 49% 49% mark. Now, there has been a lot of speculation why the altcoins are not doing too well against the Bitcoin. Now, the altcoins are doing pretty well when it comes to the altcoins against the US dollar or the USDT value, but against the Bitcoin, some of the altcoins have been actually not been able to keep up the pace against Bitcoin, and hence there was a correction against the Bitcoin value. Now, what this fourth quarter actually does is Bitcoin generally tends to outperform some of the altcoins. Okay, if we take a closer look on the 2017 market cycle and even the first leg of this market cycle also, which ended in May, we can see a similar pattern. Okay, Bitcoin first tends to rise, the alts will also rise along with it, but the major rise in the alts will only come when Bitcoin has hit its high, and then probably will move sideways or will correct. It will probably happen 15-20 days or a month prior to the complete market cycle top, before the dump that comes after the market cycle peak. And in those 15-20 days, the altcoins will go absolutely crazy. Okay, that is something that we have noticed in 2017. In 2017 December, Bitcoin had peaked out. Then from December to January, the alts actually rallied. Similar things were noticed in this market cycle first leg as well. Okay, Bitcoin topped out in April. Then from April to May, the altcoins actually rallied, and then on April 19th, we got the massive pullback, which took Bitcoin along with many other altcoins as well, right? So what am I expecting for the Bitcoin price? Now, for me, 61,100 or 61,200 is a critical level of resistance for Bitcoin, but I think we'll be able to go past it and probably close this month around the all-time high. Okay, remember, the all-time high will act as a resistance. So for me, the levels from 62,000 to 65,000 is where I'm looking for Bitcoin to be closing this month. Okay, also there is an important indicator which has just flashed. If you want to know what is that indicator and what is the significance of that indicator, because remember, this indicator has given signals only 5 times in the past, and whenever it has done so, Bitcoin has done crazy things. So if you want to know what is that indicator, what is the significance of that indicator, do let me know by commenting below, and I'll make a video tomorrow covering the complete details of it. Also, I would like to cover about what the major whales are doing. So if you would like to know about what the whales are doing as well, do let me know by commenting below. So if you like the content, please smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, and also share this video with your friends and family and give them the opportunity to learn and earn from crypto. We are on the last leg of the bull cycle, and things will go crazy from here. Okay, so take very good care of yourself. Stay blessed, stay happy. Bye bye for now.